See, today we are going to move forward in chapter number 7. So, here we want to find out the center of the mass of a rod with uniformly mass distribution. So, here we have a rod, and this rod has a speciality is that the mass is distributed uniformly. Uniformly, that means suppose I have a pen and this pen has length 10 centimeter over here and its mass is 100 gram, so it is 10 gram per centimeter. That means in each length of centimeter has 10 gram mass, and that means it is said to be that the mass distribution is uniformly. So here we have selected a rod which has uniform mass distribution. So here we have a rod of mass m and length capital L, which has uniformly mass distribution. Means its mass is uniformly distributed. So now here one end is taken as the origin of a plane, xy plane. Take one end of the rod as the origin of the xy plane. Okay, and also take x axis as the axis of the rod. So here see the center of this pen in this end and center of the pen in this end. When a line is passing through these both center, it is said to be the axis of this pen. Same as the center of these both ends and connected with a line is said to be the axis of this rod, and it is taken as the x-axis. So now again we are taking a linear mass density. So here we have linear mass density. That means it is the definition of linear mass density means the mass per unit length. This is said to be linear mass density, and it is its sign is lambda, symbol is lambda, it is m upon L. Unit, the word unit is with length, that's why it is in denominator. So lambda is equal to m upon L. So now let take a mass element of length dx.
हेलो हाँ कौन
dx, this is length, this is mass. So now take this into numerator. Okay, so now I got value of dm as lambda dx. Let's put the value of lambda over here m upon l dx.
हेलो हेलो
Okay, so now we have definition of center of mass for x-axis. Over here, xcm is equal to 1 upon m into xdm. This theory we have already learned in earlier lecture when we I taught you online. So now this is 1 upon m. Wait a minute. See here. 1 upon m x dm. But the value of dm is m upon l into dx. So now x. So now 1 upon l over here 0 to l and Kamal, I'm going to stop to you. We have definition of center of mass for x-axis. So, and this was done in earlier lecture when we were online with each other. So, xcm is equal to 1 upon m integration x dm. So, it is the addition of all the elements, mass elements from here to here. dm. When we add, so it is taken in the form of integration. Integration is sum of all elements. So here 1 upon m and the limit is start from 0 to l. So it is 0 to l x and the here dm is equal to m upon l dx. So now m upon l is constant term. So it is taken other outside. So here x dx is only there. So now is go out and now 1 upon L. Upper limit is L, lower limit is 0. So now I am replacing this x by these limits. So upper limit s L square by 2 minus lower limit 0 square by 2. But 0 square is 0. So it is removed. Now you got L square by 2, 1 upon L. L cancel, L by 2. So the center of mass of the rod is on the geometrical center of rod. That means its geometrical center and center of mass both are same. Okay, so this is very important theory of 3 marks. Please memorize it, prepare it. Okay, thank you very much.